don't worry. Ain't nobody here, no Boot Hill gonna bother us. They all nice and quiet and peaceful here in old Boot Hill. Real quiet. Oh my gosh, there's a pygmy tiger right there. Just went across the track.
Whoa.
There he is right there at the corner of the building. A pygmy tiger. My golly, I ain't seen one of them in years. Oh my goodness gracious. There he goes. Oh my. Hey, it's kind of quiet over here in the village. No wonder it's quiet. They ain't got no heads. They couldn't talk if you wanted to. Hey, right here we got a cowboy Cadillac. Look at it. Got 6-seaters with door handles, rifles on the fender.
See back there?
That old boy's got a set of horns on there. When he honks, you better get out of his way.
Wow.
That deer was going.
Or was it?
Oh, there's that old Ferris wheel going around and around. And a merry-go-round too. Hot diggity dog.
Hi, beauty.
Hi, old Silver, get
Say
away.
hi. Chug, 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 chug. What, baby? I wish Daddy was here to enjoy this too, baby.
The marshal's office. Now, she's got that light on next to the door, too. That means he got an old fella locked up in there. Yeah, you want to go see that old boy locked in the jailhouse, you go right on up Main Street. You turn there where Jim's panning for gold, go right on over and walk right in the door.